You know what? I think this one is even cuter than the first one, but I'll let you guys be the judge. For this project, I used a metal license plate frame, and I also used some Swarovski crystals in Peridot, and then I picked up some Octagon Peridot pieces. This was something new. I haven't ever tried these before. These are the Rhinestone Biz 12SS Peridot crystals I picked up. And then Rhinestone Biz also had the octagons. I just saw them and liked them and thought, you know what, that might add a lot of shine to the license plate. Also, they're a lot less expensive than the crystals. So I just wanted to see what it would do and what the cost effect would be. And they're really, really shiny and gorgeous. So I highly recommend them. Here is a closer look at the crystals and the Peridot octagons. So this is the progress so far, and I can tell you I am extremely pleased with the metal octagons. They add so much sparkle and they add a little bit of depth to it. I love how these look. They're so shiny. I highly recommend them. I'm gonna keep going. I like the smaller crystals as well, so if you're thinking about making this for yourself, I would definitely go with the 12SS versus the 16s. You could even go a little bit smaller if you feel like it, which is the 10. The other thing that I want to add, a little tip, is as I mentioned before in the last video that I did for a license plate frame on metal, is to definitely let the glue get tacky. So wait about 30 seconds before you start adding them. I'm using my Crystal Katana tool. So I've noticed that I'm using this metal tip a lot to just make sure that everything is stable. But I love how this is turning out, and I'll check back in with you after a bit and show you my progress. This is my progress so far. I am loving how this looks. This is so gorgeous. It's so much more sparkly than the one that I made for myself. I love this. It's gorgeous. So I'm going to keep going and keep showing you my results. This is the final result. It is beautiful and sparkly. Gorgeous. I really hope that you make this for yourself. I really love how it turned out. Super easy, super inexpensive, and super cute and super sparkly. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time.